Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty, hey, back with another banger. So a lot of people, they often hit me up and, they tell me where they're at currently in their Forex journey. They say, Ty, I'm here at this level, but I want to go and grow to this next level. And I ask them, okay, well, what are you doing? And they're like, well, what do you mean? I trade every day, I study. I said, okay, well, what type of results is that bringing you? And they're like, oh, well, sometimes I'm positive, sometimes I'm negative. I said, well, okay, on the days that you are positive, what are you doing? What are you doing right? And do you study the days that you are positive? Do you study the times that you are right? Most often they're like, oh, well, no. So they never really look at the right. But as soon as something goes wrong, that's when, the doctor comes in, the scientist comes in, and now you need to examine everything. What went wrong? Why did this go wrong? I'm not winning anymore. Then here it comes. I need to change my strategy. Right? So then you go off and you need to look for another course, academy or something. Now you got to change your strategy and you're wondering, damn, now that you put this new information in your mind, somebody else's bullshit in your mind after you're already hidden, then you're trying to figure out, why am I not seeing the results? Well, when you were seeing results, you were not paying attention to the results that you're seeing. So this video is going to basically be called how to be a 99 overall Forex trader. Now, if you ever played like NBA 2K, I don't have it up, right? But if you ever played NBA 2K, this morning I've been on chess and stuff. I be trying to work my mind, so I do like my chess puzzles and stuff. But if you ever played 2K, a 99 rated player, right, comes after obviously progression. It comes after, playing multiple games. It comes after truly building this My Player out. So we're about to create a My Forex Trader and let's do it. So number one, right, do a SWOT analysis. So what a SWOT analysis is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So what I want you to do is take a piece of paper like this, right? Take a piece of paper like this and, and label it. And on one piece of paper, put strengths. Now, what I want you to do for your strengths is put down your top 3 things that you're good at. Okay, maybe it's cooking, maybe it's drawing, maybe it's something else. Put down those top 3 things, right? Weaknesses. On the second one, put a W or write weaknesses and then go ahead and start writing this down. And then on your weaknesses, just, what are you not good at? Okay, so maybe you can't draw, maybe you can't cook, maybe you're not a fast runner, but you're good at something else. But put those weaknesses down. You need to be able to do a self-analyzation. When it comes to Forex, right? What is your strength in Forex? Okay, I can make decisions fast. I understand the market fast. You have a great understanding of the market. Your weakness could be you're afraid to take action. When the opportunity comes, you're afraid to walk. So you have a walking problem. You know what I mean? You need to figure out how this shit works, right? You have to figure out how this works in your mind. And that example of, hey, you got to crawl before you walk. That's true. So figure out, what you're doing while you're crawling and keep standing up. And that's how you're going to make it. The third one is O. O is for opportunities. Okay. So after you have, your strengths and weaknesses down, what opportunities do you have? And you need to be realistic with yourself. Okay. So, I have this opportunity where I can do A, B, C. I have another opportunity over here where I can do A, B, or C. Do you understand? So now we get a generalization of your life, because the only way you're going to make it in Forex is if you get a grasp of your life. This shit is only going to come when you get your shit together. It's the money making aspect. I feel like, a lot of people can make money, but it's hard to keep it. And in this game, it really will challenge you because a lot of people can make money, but it is hard to keep it. So if you're stuck in that cycle, then guess what cycle life is going to keep throwing at you. But now we're talking about cycles. Now we're talking about the laws of transmutation. Now we're talking about the laws of, we could go into universal laws here, but I'm not going to go, too deep into that. All right. So once you get to the opportunities, then you get into your threats. Your threats is the threats to your environment, the threats to who you are as a person, the threats meaning, oh man, well, I'm a jittery ass person. So, I take too many opportunities. I overtrade. You understand? So all of these could be threats to your trading account, to your castle. You get what I'm saying? So boom, number one, do a SWOT analysis. You got to really learn yourself. Start writing shit down. Start journaling. Don't be afraid to journal. I'm telling you, hey, this is how you get to the next level. Not just with Forex, but if you want to be a 99 overall player in life, this is how you're going to get to the next level. You got to understand yourself. And the only thing I could do is walk you through, examples and exercises on how, I was able to understand myself better. So I got this SWOT analysis thing. I think I got it from that You Are a Brand book. You know what I'm saying? So it's a book that teaches you how to build your brand, how to connect more with people, things like that. So yeah, that's where the SWOT analysis comes from, right? So the number two thing is you need to test your build. So okay, you build your mindset, you build, your strategy, you build all this stuff, and I think that sounds great. Now, one thing that people do is back test. Those are experiments and those are things like that. If this, then what, right? Now, I have another idea and concept that I like to present called front testing. That's putting live money in, money that you can obviously afford to play with, right? Putting live money into the game and testing that shit. Well, see, when you put fake money in, you don't really feel emotions to that. You're not attached to that. You know what I mean? Like, it's fake money. You take a L and fuck it, I'll put some more fake demo dollars in. You can run a demo account from, $20 to $1 billion, and you may feel amazing after that. Oh man, I could do it. Okay, clap, clap, clap. Hey, now it's time to do the real thing. I guess, a real account and a fake account is the difference between watching a porno and having sex. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah, some people can get the same feeling, but hey, would you rather fuck or jack off? You got to ask yourself. All right. So next, right? As you're testing your build and testing different things in this experimentation stage, you should be journaling down everything. Okay, well, I like trading at this time in the afternoon. I like trading at this time in the morning. Journal that down. I like taking these type of patterns. I don't like really buying. I like selling. Okay, so then you figure out opportunities where you could sell more. You see how all of this stuff fits into your strategy. All of this stuff fits into you becoming the overall the best person that you can be. Because you want to be a great trader, you have to be an overall great person. And what I mean is like, yes, bad people make money too in Forex, but I'm talking about a great person mentally. Like, you don't have to be the smartest in the room to make money. You just need to figure out, hey, okay, I have something that works for me and I'm not changing it. Fuck what this person's saying. Fuck what that person is saying. Oh, you want to join this academy? No, I'm trying to get paid. Well, my strategy's working and I'm not about to change it. You feel me? Putting your bullshit in my mind. So one thing I would tell you to do too, start listening to yourself. Trust yourself. Trust your gut. Trust that intuition. That should tell you what it is off the jump. Like, I don't feel like there's ever a need for an advanced Forex training. It's at the advanced portion, now you're just milking shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, Forex is so basic. It's so basic that once you understand it, all you need to do is be around other people who understand it so they can help you and keep encouraging you to understand it. Hey, you're doing good. Yes, that's how you keep going. Yes, that's how you keep going. Any other fucking strategies, and hey, maybe we should look at the meteorite strategy, like guaranteed, that shit's gonna be outer space, you know what I'm saying? Outer space, outer mind, and confuse the shit out of you. All right, so after you test your build, right, you're testing your build, now you wanna go ahead and adjust. What I mean adjust is, okay, if you see what's working, well, adjust your schedule to fit what works and when it works. Now, hey, sometimes it may work. And when it doesn't, okay, fuck it, that trade was wrong. It's just like a man walking up to a woman, hey, you may have a great hit rate, you know what I'm saying? What I mean is, like, you may be able to conduct a great conversation, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, you get the phone number, you smash, like, you may have a great rate, but sometimes, like, your advantage just may not work. It's not that the strategy changed, it's just, okay, the time of the day was fucked up. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? Maybe something about you, it just, maybe you walked up wrong, you know what I'm saying? But who gives a fuck? Go talk to another girl, bro. You know what I'm saying? Go talk to another one. Take another trade. You get what I'm saying? So when you connect it to life, when you connect the market to life, because that's exactly what it is. So people ask me, they say, Ty, how are you so, distinctively knowing what the fuck is going on? Because I study people, and people are creatures of habit, meaning they do the same shit every single day. Everybody has a system, right? Whether they know it or not, either consciously, where they're, oh shit, this is what I do every day, or you just wake up and do shit every day. And you're probably wondering, well, how am I still in this rut? Because whatever the DNA is of you doing that same repetitive action every day, that's why you're in the rut. So people usually have a system that they go by. So if you want to change the results, you change what's in that system. Simple. Or if you love the results, you just keep doing that shit. What are we changing? What are we changing? Oh, I got a new strategy. Fuck that. I'm doing what works. I'm not trying to hear nothing else. You feel me? I don't give a shit about somebody telling me about some new magical potion they found. Put it in your blunt and smoke that shit. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with the natural weed. You get what I'm saying. So let's get it. So after you test your build, right? So and adjust your strategy, one thing that you should always be doing, because it's a mental game, right? Challenge yourself. So do mental games. So, you see me doing chess right now, but I'm doing the chess puzzles. You know what I mean? I started doing foreplay and chess on my page and stuff. So you guys have seen me play. I smoke weed and play chess. I'll be watching the girls play the chess hustlers in New York and shit. They be hustling their ass off. But for me, it's a brain game. So, early on, I used to play a lot of chess in college and shit, but I found out that, hey, if you want to take your mind to the next level, most of the people who have, grandiose minds and ideas, they're over here playing chess. Most most of the warriors and the warlocks and the people who are actually like doing, you know, controlling the world, they were playing chess. I said, well, shit, you know, maybe I need to play the world's game so I can get adjusted and get on the mental wavelength as everybody else. So that's why I fuck with that. But maybe this is boring to you, so find other brain games. They got like Luminosity, right? Luminosity is a great app. I used to play on there all the time, you know what I'm saying? But it's a great app that challenges your brain. Forex is super simple. You know what I'm saying? Highs and lows. Okay, so if you choose a side, right? If you choose a side, it's like choosing a hood. You know what I'm saying, nigga? If you crisscross the different hoods, then obviously, shit, you already know what's going on. You're not gonna fucking hood hop. One day you blue, then you go over here. Yeah, I'm red now, nigga. What? Hold the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So it should be the same thing. Find a strategy that you like in the market, find an adjustment, find something that you like in this market, right? And you stick to that shit. You don't need to be on two sides. You're gonna play on one side, and this design we're gonna dominate. It's like going to a basketball team. You play for one fucking team, and that's who you play with. You listen to that coach, you listen to that staff, you listen to that system, and you adjust to that shit. You get me? So that's how you're gonna run it up. That's how you're gonna study. That's how you're gonna test your build. That's obviously how you're gonna take your mind to the next level. I get in the market, do the same thing every day. I'm not adjusting shit. Oh, let's say I take a losing trade. Okay, who gives a fuck? Well, I'll come back to the market later. That's my mindset. Oh, come back to the market later. Shit ain't moving how I like it. Come back later. Simple. It's just like taking a fucking shot in NBA 2K. Boom, you miss. Okay, get back on defense. Let's go. Let's go. Are we still talking about this shit? You get what I'm saying? So I would say don't even worry about the losses. Learn from them. Don't worry about them. Learn from them. Oh shit, this is what I went wrong. Man, I'm about to sit back. Next time this bitch drop, I'm not even gonna rush in. I'm gonna just wait. Boom. Wait. Then you take your opportunity. A game of thinking. It's a transfer of energy. It's the transfer between shit, the impatient and the patient. Okay, you wanna beat me in Forex. Well, are you more patient than me? Fucking up. I'll smoke weed, sit and play chess, and wait for this bitch to send an alert all day. You know what I'm saying? So same thing with you. You need to figure out, okay, how do I get in that type of mindset where I can just really rest, be the fisherman? All right. And number three, we need to go ahead and build those stats over time. So, you know, another thing about NBA 2K and when you're playing that game is you don't just get to the 99 overall rating. Nobody just gets there. You have to work through that shit. They make you do drills. They make you go to practice. They make you play numerous games. But you see what I'm saying? You got to put in that work. Now, you know, I know for some people, like putting in work, that's the craziest thing. You know what I'm saying? Who the fuck wants to put in work? Who really wants to go hard, right? But a nigga like me, I'm addicted to that shit. I'm addicted to the hard work. Where the hard work is at, you're going to find me there taking all the steps. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people like the smart work, but I just like getting my hands dirty. I like doing that shit. So it's my personality that makes me want to go harder. So maybe that's not you, but you need to turn that motherfucker on, because if you want to be great, right? If you want to be mediocre, do mediocre shit. If you want to be regular, you do regular shit. But if you've been watching all of these podcasts and shit, relationships and what shit, in particular, what women want, they're all going to tell you 6 foot, 6 figures, 6-pack. Meaning if you're below that, nigga, you need to work harder. You get what I'm saying? Shit. For men, I feel like, you know, one of the biggest thing for us is we really just need to provide a flow and security. And what I mean is like have enough money coming in and shit, create a secure environment. You know what I mean? So with that being said, how to become a 99 overall Forex trader? Well, this is a battle between you and you. And if you're willing to put in that work, then you're going to get to the top. Other than that, there's 1,000,000,001 academies that will take your fucking money, you know what I'm saying, and milk you for your ignorance. So the more ignorant you are because you don't want to study, well, I mean, shit, people be opening up programs every 2 weeks on your ass, you know what I'm saying, so they can fund their lifestyle. So either A, you'll be funding their lifestyle, or you'll be funding yours. Now, it's your boy Ty. Peace out. I'm gone.